In the sunlit living room, Mother Cat strides in, a large wicker basket brimming with freshly laundered sheets perched on her hip. "It's time to put away all the clean linens," she announces, her voice warm with maternal purpose. Poppy's eyes gleam with mischief and inspiration, a sudden idea sparking within her. "I have a better idea," Poppy exclaims, her voice bubbling with excitement. "Let's build something amazing," she suggests, her imagination already soaring beyond the mundane chore. Inside the laundry fort, sunlight filters through the draped white sheet, creating a haven of soft light and shadow. Poppy, flashlight in hand, conjures dancing shadow animals that flicker across the walls, enchanting their secret world. A hush falls as Father Cat stealthily approaches the entrance, his eyes gleaming with playful intent. Father Cat's voice booms with mock ferocity. "Greetings! I am a friendly dragon. May I enter your magical cave?" Poppy and Leo exchange excited glances, their laughter about to shatter the quiet anticipation within the fort. Poppy nestles into the crisp sheets of her freshly made bed, a haven of cleanliness and comfort. A serene smile graces her lips, reflecting the warmth of family love and the joy of shared moments. The scent of clean laundry envelops her, a comforting embrace that soothes her into tranquility. Imagination dances in her mind, transforming mundane chores into extraordinary adventures. Her content expression deepens as she drifts off to sleep, a picture of peaceful innocence surrounded by love.